Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Gcash app and unlock it with your PIN or biometric login. Look for the Scan QR button on the home screen and tap it to open the scanner. If prompted, allow camera access so the app can read QR codes quickly. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for real-time payment processing. Check that your app version is up to date before proceeding to avoid errors. Keep your phone steady while scanning to improve readability and speed. This basic setup prepares you to scan merchant or personal QR codes securely. Aim the camera at the merchant QR code until the app recognizes it and displays payment details. Verify the merchant name and the amount shown on screen before you confirm the payment. If the amount is blank, enter the correct amount manually using numbers and decimal points. Tap Pay and enter your 4-digit MPIN to complete the transaction and authorize the transfer. Wait for a confirmation message and transaction ID on screen to ensure the payment went through. Save or screenshot the receipt for your records if you need proof. Generate your personal QR for receiving money from friends or customers by selecting Receive and showing the code. Share the code only with trusted payers and avoid posting it in public forums. Confirm each incoming transaction by checking the sender name and the transferred amount in your history. Never share your MPIN and report suspicious requests to Gcash support immediately to protect your account. Keep receipts and transaction ID for record keeping and dispute resolution if needed. Use app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.